The spotters didn't spot anything as exciting, but they did hear of the strange goings-on at Ripperston Farm, Dale.
Nice to see you again, Dave. Oh, golly, your hands are cold, lad.
Yeah,
Well, anyway, these people are interested in your experience.
Yeah.
Mrs. Coombs has seen things disappear into St. Bride's Bay and watched flying silver and orange balls pass her farm.
And then after that came the silver-suited man, which was the most terrifying experience of it all.
Where did he appear?
In my window, but there were those people standing now. Excuse me. He was about 7 feet tall, and the width of the window, which is 3 feet wide, and he was there for about 2 hours.